If your personality is such that you have to do your own core research before you walk in the door, please do. Do internet research. Go to websites. What you read on the internet is not always a fact. Life lesson from your friend
Back up.
Carter. The internet is not always facts. So you do have to take some of the information that you see on the internet with a grain of salt. And when you come in, we've done this for a long time, and we do consider ourselves to be experts at it. A great jewelry store that's there to build a relationship with you is not just interested in getting you to buy what it is they want you to buy. Mm-hmm. We're here to educate and to walk you through the process. So I would start with some base level education, but understand and be open to ideas and suggestions that the people that are more experienced about it than you are may tell you. Because like I said, I've done it every day of my life since I was 15.